Poetry is a kind of a healing process of everything that happens in my life and also with Tibet. Poetry to me is expression of what I witness and see and hear in my life. In that sense, poetry is a kind of a healing process of everything that happens in my life and also with Tibet and Tibetan people Tibetans as a people and also Tibet as a nation. So that's poetry and what poetry means to me, an expression of our collective experiences and my own personal experience as well. I'm going to read a poem from my book, Songs from a Distance. It's called Just Shut Up. We are a flock of birds with the wings of golden color flapping freely in the sky. If you don't know how high we can soar, if you haven't seen our path across the open space, if you cannot fly with us against the raging wind, oh, self-righteous ones, just shut up. Knead your rosary, chant your mantra, but just shut up. We are a troop of stallions galloping across the open field, unchained from trappings of the past. If you haven't seen us dashing up the mountain paths, if you haven't seen us marching forward to the future, if you cannot walk with us for the long battle, oh, self-righteous ones, just shut up. Your world is no longer valid. Go to the temple, burn your borderlands, but just shut up. We are a gang of wild yaks, our hoofs pounding the city path, horns raised, hair flying in the wind. If you haven't seen us scaling the walls, if you cannot measure the size of our hearts, if you cannot match the pounding of our hooves, oh, self-righteous ones, just shut up. The roads have since changed. Do your prostration, appease your deities, but just shut up. Hi, my name is Bhuchung Sonam. I am a Tibetan writer and poet living here in Dharamsala.